When you are not home, you never know what's going on or know who's outside. When you are not on site, well, now you can see in and around your home no matter where you are with the all-new IC360, the original smart camera system. Other cameras are expensive and need complicated installations, and beware of cheaper imitations. But IC360, the original smart camera system, is easy to use over different networks. So it's perfect for your home, your office, and ideal to keep an eye on your loved ones. And the two-way microphone lets you talk and hear loud and clear.
Hey there.
Hey, Lee.
IC360 gives you a total view of any room with a 360 rotating base and 180-degree rotating camera. And it offers TF memory card support for up to 128 gigabytes of internal storage. Call now and order your own IC360 for this low price.